Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use blur in CapCut, whether on a part of a video or an entire video. So we have a clip, we need to click on it and go to Lens and check for blur. We drag the blur effect on the entire video, and now as you can see the entire video is blurred. We can regulate the blur, the intensity of it right here, and let's just delete it for a moment, because now we're going to try to do a blur on a part of a video. So we copy the video, we drag the blur to the one part of it. We go to videos and mask, and we use, let's for example go for a circle, and let's just blur the guy's head, for example. So as you can see, it is blurry right now, and it looks like this. So we have a video with just a part being blurred. So since the guy is moving, let's just maybe edit these effects and go for a little bigger circle, so it will be all blurred. Let's just play it again. Okay, now without those technical lines, so to speak. Okay, that's how it works. And so now to regulate the blur, we can just right click on the video, edit effects, and now we have this where we can change the blur's intensity. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.